um, and so, um, um, okay, guys, this is John Trubisky, and so, okay, YouTubers, um, what? And this inside this Pokeball right here. Yep, yep. Um, um, what is inside this Pokeball right here? Hmm. I don't know what's inside this Pokeball right here, but I would love to find out what's inside this Pokeball right here. Yep, yep. I would love to find out what is inside this Pokeball. So let's find out together. Yep, yep. Mm, If you could see, and, and I made a hole inside this Pokeball, inside this Ultra Ball right here, and and, and I made a hole here. Yep. Uh, it just got this one thing inside. Yep, yep. It just got only just one thing inside right here. Yep. And yeah, yeah. And I got this one side one thing. Yep. Yeah. And so where we go? Yep. So that's stupid. I mean, it's a waste of time. So, okay, YouTubers, if you guys like this video, won't you guys give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for some more videos. Yes, this is John Trubisky, and I'll see you next time. Bye.